I'm Paul Burrows, real estate consultant based in Santa Cruz County. If you're selling in 2026, here are the top 7 high ROI improvements I recommend. Counting down, quick and honest. First impressions, curb appeal and entry. Fresh mulch, trimmed hedges, pressure wash paths, a statement front door, updated garage door. It's the 5-second test buyers use before they even touch the doorknob. Aim for clean, bright, and welcoming. Lighting that flatters. Swap dated fixtures for simple, modern LEDs. Add warm temperature bulbs. Dimmers where it makes sense. Kitchens feel bright. Baths feel bright. Hallways feel bright. Good lighting. Sells space you already own. Paint, neutral, not boring. A quality repaint covers a multitude of sins. Modern neutrals. Crisp white trim. Fix caulking and nail pops as you go. It photographs better and calms buyers the second they walk in. Floors buyers notice. Refinish real hardwood if you have it. Deep, clean, and stretch carpet if you don't. If you must replace, choose durable, water-resistant LVP in a light to medium tone. Consistency across rooms makes homes feel larger and more premium. Kitchen refresh, not a gut. Think new hardware, a sleek faucet, updated cabinet fronts or professional paint, and a quality backsplash. If appliances are mismatched or dying, replace with mid-range, energy-efficient models. Stainless, modern matte. Keep layouts, update touch points. Bathroom tune-up, swap vanity tops, mirrors, lighting, fixtures for a cohesive look. Regrout or reglaze tired tile. Add proper ventilation. Clean glass, clean lines. Hotel level fresh. You're selling move-in ready, not a remodel project. Energy smart upgrades buyers ask about. In California, efficiency is a selling point. A smart thermostat. Sealed ducts, fresh attic insulation. A quiet, efficient hot water solution. Can-tip decisions. If your HVAC is near end of life, consider an efficient heat pump. Buyers love comfort, lower bills, sustainability. Rapid-fire extras that help. Repairs before showings. Leaks. Locks. Squeaks. Small issues become big doubts. Storage audit, declutter 30-40%. Closets should feel spacious, not apologetic. Professional clean, light staging. Elevate, don't overwhelm. Here's my brutally honest truth. Overbuilding for your neighborhood rarely pays back. Start with the least expensive fixes that touch the senses. Sight, light, smell, sound. Then move to kitchens, baths, and efficiency. Sequence matters. Pace your spend where buyers feel it most. I begin my process with questions, your goals, timing, and budget. Then I tailor a plan. I consult with architects, engineers, contractors, and lenders to verify costs and timelines. My 3 promises still stand. I will be on time. I will be brutally honest. I will do what I say I'm going to do. If you're thinking of selling in 2026 and want a stress-free, data-backed plan, reach out. I'm in Scotts Valley, serving Santa Cruz County and beyond. Let's find the win-win and make your next move clean, simple, and profitable. I'm Paul Burrows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more straight talk on real estate.